Hi everyone, PEMDAS is saying, hey, you need to multiply first. So what is 6 times 1? 6. Good job. Let's bring that 3 down. Let's bring that plus sign down. And let's bring that division symbol down. And let's bring down that 4 down. Going back to PEMDAS, division goes first. So what is 6 divided by 4? Let's write that in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 6 over 4. Let's bring that plus sign down. Let's bring that 3 down, but in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 3 over 1 equals 3 does not change to 3. I am erasing this for space. Now we are adding two fractions with two different denominators. So we need to use the butterfly method. I am going to use a different color, red. So we're going to draw two wings, two antennas, and a body. So the first wing, 3 times 4, which is 12. Good job. That's the antenna. The second wing, 1 times 6. Here's the other antenna. So 1 times 6 is 6. Good job. And lastly, the body, 1 times 4 is 4. So that will be our denominator. And next, we add 12 plus 6, which equals, so 12 plus 6, 6, 7, 8, and then bring down that 1. So, or 1 plus 0 is 1. So it's 18. So that will be our numerator. Don't leave yet because you need to break that fraction or this improper fraction to its simplest form. Let me erase all this. We don't need this anymore. We already got a fractional answer, but we just need to break it down to its simplest form. So I am going to write it here and write 18 over 4. And notice the top and bottom numbers are what? Even, right? So let's just half them. So let's do this. Let's half them. So 18 divided by 2, or half of 18 is what? 9, right? 9 times 2 is 18. Over 4 divided by 2 is 2. Good job. 2 times 2 equals 4. So now we have a improper fraction, or this is the answer. And don't leave yet because we need to get a mixed number answer and a decimal answer from 9 over 2. So 9 over 2 is the answer. You cannot break this down to the simplest form. This is it. This is the answer. And let me erase this and write the first answer that we got. And let me use a different color. Okay, so I am going to use the blue and write 9 over 2. Then I'll write the mixed number answer here. And lastly, the decimal answer here. We're going to use long division to help us. So here is the long division symbol. And so the 9 goes inside the long division symbol. This is called the dividend. And the 2 goes outside the long division symbol. This is called the divisor. So how many times can 2 fit into 9? 4 times, right? Because 4 times 2 is 8. So 4 times 2 is 8. And then we subtract. So 9 minus 8 is 1. Good job. So our whole number is 4. The remainder, which is 1, goes on top of the fraction bar, and below the fraction bar goes the 2. So we have a mixed number answer of 4, 1 over 2, and you all know the decimal answer is 4.5. But let's just finish the long division here. So how many times can 2 fit into 1? Well, we need to borrow a 0 and give it to the 1. So I add a decimal after the 9 and a decimal after the 4. So I write 0 here, bring down the 0, give it to the 1. Now the 1 becomes 10. So how many times can 2 fit into 10? 5 times. And 5 times 2 is 10. And 10 minus 10 is 0. Look at that, easy. That's where you got the 4.5 from. Look at that. So we have our first answer, 9 over 2, which is called an improper fraction. We got a mixed number answer for 1 over 2. And lastly, we got a decimal answer, 4.5. Now, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to join the smartest community on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, And I'll see you in the next video. And let me draw you some happy faces here. So here's a happy face there, a happy face here, a happy face here. Let me use a different color. Happy face. Oop, that ran out of ink. Here's a happy face, happy face, happy face, and happy face. There you go. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.